Alright folks, for today's project I'm taking this bit of antler and using it as a handle for my FIRESTEEL ferro rod here. What else I'm going to do is, just because of the shape of the antler here, I might just cap it with a little bit of a little bullet in there, just to add some color, little detail. So my plan is to